lab, let the journey begin. Knowledge on tap, let the lesson sink in.
In the rapidly evolving landscape of blockchain technology, Cardano has emerged as a distinctive platform that prioritizes scientific rigor, sustainability, and true decentralization. While many blockchain projects rush to market with unproven technologies, Cardano's methodical, research-driven approach has positioned it as a future-proof, institution-ready blockchain with expanding real-world applications and unmatched decentralization.
Learn with Hattie, break the chains, digital world running through my veins.
Cardano stands as one of the most decentralized blockchain networks in existence, a claim supported by multiple independent metrics. Nakamoto Coefficient Leadership. Recent data from the Edinburgh Decentralization Index, or EDI, and ChainSpect revealed that Cardano has a Nakamoto coefficient of 21 compared to just 3 for Bitcoin and 2 for Ethereum. The Nakamoto coefficient measures how many independent entities, validators or miners, are required to control more than 50% of a network's block production or staking power. A higher number indicates greater decentralization and lower vulnerability to collusion or censorship. Over 3,000 active stake pools. Cardano's network includes over 3,000 active stake pool operators handling all block production in a fully permissionless system. Unlike many proof-of-stake networks where a foundation or core developers dominate, Cardano's delegation of power is mathematically managed through its Ouroboros consensus protocol, a protocol with formally verified game-theoretic proofs that guarantee fairness and security. Community-based governance. Through CIP 1694 governance and the upcoming Voltaire era, Cardano holders can vote on protocol upgrades and treasury allocations, reinforcing full on-chain democracy. This community-driven approach reduces dependence on corporate foundations, which still influence networks like Algorand or Polygon. Cardano's development process is uniquely built on peer-reviewed academic research, setting it apart from virtually every other blockchain project. Academic rigor. Peer-reviewed research underpins Cardano's architecture, ensuring every upgrade, such as the Shelley, Basho, and Voltaire phases, advances self-governance and stake distribution scientifically, rather than by community upheaval. More than 130 research papers underpin its architecture, covering topics such as consensus theory, network scalability, and formal verification of smart contracts. Ouroboros Consensus Protocol. Cardano's Ouroboros is the first provably secure proof-of-stake protocol, with mathematical proofs published in top-tier academic conferences. This process ensures mathematical proof of security guarantees that other blockchains lack, providing institutional investors and enterprises with confidence in the platform's long-term viability. Formal verification. Cardano employs formal methods to verify the correctness of its smart contracts and core protocols, reducing the risk of critical bugs and vulnerabilities that have plagued other platforms. In an era of increasing environmental consciousness, Cardano's energy efficiency represents a significant advantage. Proof-of-stake efficiency. Cardano's Ouroboros proof-of-stake protocol consumes a fraction of the energy required by proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin. While Bitcoin's annual energy consumption rivals that of entire countries, Cardano's energy footprint is comparable to a small town. Sustainable by design. The protocol's energy efficiency isn't an afterthought, it was designed from the ground up to be sustainable, making it attractive to environmentally conscious institutions and governments. Long-term viability. As regulatory pressure increases on energy-intensive blockchains, Cardano's sustainable approach positions it favorably for institutional adoption and regulatory compliance. Cardano's practical utility extends far beyond theoretical advantages, with numerous real-world implementations. Government partnerships. Cardano has established partnerships with governments in developing nations, including Ethiopia's Ministry of Education, 5 million student IDs on the blockchain, and various identity management projects across Africa. DeFi and NFT ecosystem. The Cardano ecosystem includes thriving DeFi protocols such as MinSwap, SundaySwap, and Liquid, NFT marketplaces, and innovative projects like Midnight, a privacy-focused sidechain, and World Mobile, a decentralized telecommunications. Enterprise solutions. Projects like Iagon, decentralized cloud storage, and GenWealth, financial services, demonstrate Cardano's capability to support enterprise-grade applications with real utility. Interoperability. Cardano is developing bridges and interoperability solutions to connect with other blockchain ecosystems, expanding its reach and utility. As governments worldwide develop cryptocurrency regulations, Cardano's approach positions it advantageously. Compliance-focused design. The platform's architecture includes features that facilitate regulatory compliance without sacrificing decentralization. Transparent governance. The platform's on-chain governance and transparent development process align with regulatory expectations for accountability and oversight. Institutional appeal. The combination of formal verification, peer-reviewed research, and regulatory readiness makes Cardano particularly attractive to institutional investors and traditional financial institutions exploring blockchain technology. Cardano's development philosophy prioritizes long-term sustainability over short-term hype. Phased rollout. The platform's development follows a carefully planned roadmap with distinct eras: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire, each introducing specific capabilities in a methodical manner. Avoiding technical debt. By taking time to build correctly from the start, Cardano avoids the technical debt and security vulnerabilities that plague platforms that rush to market. Continuous improvement. The platform's governance model ensures continuous evolution and improvement based on community input and emerging research. Cardano matters because it represents a fundamentally different approach to blockchain technology, one that prioritizes scientific rigor over rushed development, true decentralization over corporate control, sustainability over energy waste, long-term viability over short-term gains, regulatory compliance over regulatory evasion. In 2025, as the blockchain industry matures and institutional adoption accelerates, Cardano's slow but scientific approach has proven to be its long-term advantage. The platform has positioned itself as a future-proof, institution-ready blockchain with expanding real-world use cases and unmatched decentralization. For investors, developers, and institutions seeking a blockchain platform built to last, Cardano offers a compelling combination of technical excellence, genuine decentralization, and practical utility that few other platforms can match. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, stay curious and keep learning.